Hello friend, I'll be showing today how to use Google Drive. Many of you know what is Google Drive. People who doesn't know, I'm just telling you. Google Drive is a product of Google which can be used as a storage. You can store your files, photos, any type of documents in the Google Drive in their server. You can do it in two different ways. One, you can have your Gmail and from Gmail you can do it online. Just I am showing you. Suppose this is your Gmail account and you have logged in. Then click here and you can see this is a drive. This is called Google Drive. If you click it here, the Google Drive is open. Here you can store and keep things. The space size is 15 GB. More than 15 GB if you want to use, then you have to pay Google a certain amount every month. See, in my Google Drive, out of 15 GB, 10.34 GB is used. So if I want to clean the Google Drive, I need to delete some portion and also I have to delete the recycle bin. This is one way you can use the Google Drive online. I'll be showing you some other way by which you can use the Google Drive, which will be used in your computer like a external or internal drive. For that reason, you need to install the Google Drive in your computer. We have to download the Google Drive. Just see. Now download Google Drive for desktop. Just you have to save it. See, in my computer, I am already having the Google Drive. So it may not allow me to reinstall the Google Drive. So I'll be going in the last stage, how to install the Google Drive. After that, I will be showing you my Google Drive where I have already installed. See, it is getting downloaded. I think it is 150 MB plus file. So it is getting downloaded and it will take some time. It is done. This is Google Drive setup. Now what you have to do, you have to click on Google Drive exe file or Google Drive setup file. This pop-up will come and then you have to do yes. See, this version of Google Drive is already installed. So it will not allow to install the Google Drive once again. If I want to install this one, then I have to first uninstall my Google Drive. Then I have to install software. It is not required. I am just showing. Installation is a normal process, and after installation, what happens and how to use the Google Drive, that I'll show. After it gets installed, this type of icon will come on the desktop. This is Google Drive. Now I have to double click on this thing, on the Google Drive icon, and it is initiated. One thing, whenever you will be installing, you have to give your Gmail ID and password for which account you need to make the Google Drive. If you are having multiple Gmail, you can make multiple Google Drive. And for that, in my computer, I have installed 3 Google Drive for my 3 different email ID. I am showing one. This one I am showing you. After clicking this email ID, this Google Drive has come. See, it is like a pen drive or it is an external drive. But it is in the cyberspace. I mean, it is in server of Google. So all the files I am having here in Google Drive, it is there. From here, I can copy, paste, delete, everything I can do. So if you want to keep your photos and personal documents or important documents, you can always keep the documents in the Google Drive. It is very easy to transfer. Suppose you want to transfer this file, say. Then copy it and paste in the Google Drive. So simple. You need not to have very high level technical skill for this thing. If you want to add multiple Google Drive, so what to do? I have to go to Google Drive. You have to first install the Google Drive, log in one Google ID, then the second ID you have to log in the browser, then you have to log in the Google Drive and add account. So the multiple account will be installed in your Google Drive. Hope you have understood and you like the learning. Thank you.